Welcome back to Upcycled Interiors, episode 2. Today we are going to be gilding or gold leafing, whichever you prefer to call it. I'll be showing you the process of gilding any item that you might have hanging around your house. Here is what you'll need. Look at this funky piece that I've got to work on today. As far as preparation goes, make sure your piece is clean and dust-free. And now we're just gonna paint over your piece with the metal leaf size. Until it's completely covered. Use a low tack tape to mask over any areas you don't want your leaf to go. Now that's completely covered, I'm going to go back over and check it for drips. Now I've got rid of the drips, I'm going to leave this for about an hour. I want this now clear and tacky, not wet. This will give me the best results when I come to leaf. I've left that an hour, so let's get on with the fun part. Choosing your leaf of choice. I'm going for a nice pink. Being very careful, the leaf is very delicate. We are now going to layer all over the sides your leaf. Tapping on gently with your fingers. And making sure you overlap each leaf. So now my project's completely covered in the leaf. I'm going to grab myself a soft brush and I'm going to dust off all the excess. I've finished dusting it off, so I'm going to take my crystal clear water-based lacquer and give it its first coat. Taking a nice clean brush, I'm just going to do a very fine first coat, making sure I cover it completely. I like to do 2 at the minimum to make sure it keeps its shine and it's perfectly sealed. And there you have it. So I've done 2 coats of my crystal clear gloss finish varnish, and that is perfect for indoors. If you wanted to do something for outdoors, I suggest doing your 2 coats of your crystal clear varnish and then using an outdoor varnish over the top. You can do this process to so many items around your house. I even did it to some old boots. Find us at MUCKNBRASS on any of our social platforms and tag us in your amazing makes. I hope you enjoyed episode 2. There are more to come. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, I'll see you by the pool.